Hey there, in this video we're going to look at how we can solve this issue where our subpage is not showing up in the search results. So Notion has a page on their sharing settings, 6-minute read. I'll add the link in the description, but to fix this what we basically need to do is head on over to our Notion page and then click the 3 dots, and under there you're going to have connections, and click the 2Anki beta with all caps. That's going to give 2Anki.net access to this page. Confirm, bam, and if we search again, you can see your page is there. And the reason why this doesn't happen automatically is if you have a page, like for example here, my top level page here, German, it doesn't provide access to 2Anki.net. So this subpage inside of German, where we did not have access to it, would not by default give it. If you wanted to give access to all subpages from a top level page, you would just add it on the parent like this, and that would achieve the same, right? That's how you fix that issue. Thank you for watching, and happy learning.